Hi, my name's Dr. Sonia Hamidi with the Ear, Nose, and Throat Institute, and today we're going to review how to change wax filters on hearing aids. All right, well, we're going to start by removing the plastic dome. You'll just want to give it a tug. It's plastic, so no worries on damaging it. You have your filter here. It's very small, so no worries if you don't see it. You have your disc. Number 1 and number 2 are labeled. What you'll want to do is push the receiver into the number 1 slot. This is removing the current filter. And then you will put the receiver wire into the number 2 slot. This is putting a new filter on. You will then put your dome back on. Just slide it right back on. And here you are with a new filter. We'll start by removing the plastic dome. You'll pull it right off. You have your filters in the case. What you'll want to do is take one of the sticks out. You have an empty end of the stick as well as a white end. You will want to use the empty end of the stick to remove the current filter. The stick inserts as such. You will pull it out, flip your stick over, and insert the fresh filter. You will then put your dome back on.